My friends, I have a theory. My theory is that 90% of all businesses are in the repairs and maintenance sector. So instead of inventing the wheel, you can focus on repairing and maintaining the already existing products. So watch this video to the end and you will see how different businesses repair and maintain products across different industries. And we shall start with the beauty and the body industry. Well, hospitals aim to repair your body. Pharmacies aim to repair and maintain your body by selling medicines and drugs. Well, gyms and fitness coaches sell you workout plans, products and services that aim to keep your body strong and in good shape. Well, when you have problems with your teeth, you visit a dentist who repairs and maintains your teeth. Music and comedy exist to repair your brain. Food and water helps to repair and maintain your body. So that is the body and the beauty industry. The second industry is the automotive and repairs industry. Well, garages. When you go to garages, you meet a mechanic who maintains your car. Petrol stations, or rather gas stations, help to maintain your car by selling you fuel. Well, a car wash helps to maintain your car by keeping it clean. The engine oil that you buy helps to keep your engine in good shape. Therefore, the automotive and repairs industry aims to maintain and repair your car. We also have, in case of accidents, the car insurance. The insurance companies help to restore your car, and that is the repairs and maintenance. The third industry is the home and real estate industry. Well, entrepreneurs in this area will sell you new home appliances and equipment. They aim to upgrade your home and eventually keep it in good shape. We also have interior designers who repair your walls, your floor, your roof, and the general outlook of your house. That is repair and maintenance. Well, we also have pest control and fumigation services that help to repair your house and make it habitable. Other careers in this sector include plumbers and electricians. These people fix your home and make it friendly, and that is also repairing and maintenance. We also have companies in this area that sell you new home appliances and new equipment just to keep your home up to date, and that is repair and maintenance. Well, house cleaning services, house cleaning equipment and detergents are in this category, and they all aim to make your home habitable by selling you repair and maintenance services. The fourth industry is the technology and digital industry. In case your phone screen cracks, you need to replace it, and that is part of maintaining your phone. You need to constantly update the softwares of your computer for optimal performance. We also have cybersecurity services that aim to prevent virus attacks onto your computer. Well, the careers in this sector include technicians and computer geeks. So these people help to secure and maintain your equipment from digital attacks and threats. The fifth and the last industry is the clothing and fashion industry. These businesses exist to make you appear presentable. Remember, people judge you based on how you appear. Well, the businesses in this sector include dry cleaning, washing detergents, and appliances. We have careers such as tailoring, shoe shining, shoemaking, cobblers, and related careers. These careers serve your presentation. Well, we also have sprays and perfumes businesses, barbershops, and salons. Remember, people in this sector aim to make you appear presentable before other people, and that is the clothing and fashion industry. Remember, you do not have to invent the wheel. You can ask yourself, what can I fix, or what can I repair, or what can I maintain for people so that they pay me? Well, that is a good model, and that is my theory. My theory states that 90% of all businesses are either repairs or maintenance. Thank you for listening. My name is Richard. Kindly subscribe to this channel for more content.